Yeah, hello, welcome to my channel. I'm actually here to show you how I shot the Atlantis video um, by me. I actually wrote the song and um, I edited it. I also produced the song and I felt the need to shoot the video. I was actually on a low budget, and I felt I had to shoot this video because I quite have some video skills which I have been working on. I've shot lots of videos. So today I came to the scene, day one, at the Stone Desert, um, yeah, close to the Strait of Gilbratar. This location actually reflects and relates to the Atlantis video that I'm actually shooting. Yeah. So on this day one, the wind was quite windy. The place was windy. The light was good. I would like to shoot with the golden hour. This is the gimbal I shoot with, the Ultra One gimbal. It has this self movement, like facial detection, body detection. It's really beautiful. I've been working with it for a long time now. I also shoot with the DJI Neo 2 because this allows me um, to shoot seamlessly without needing anyone. I shot this video alone, just me, my gimbal, my phone stand, and yeah, and my scooter there. That's what I shoot with. The Neo 2 comes with this extra battery, just in case I'm out of juice. This can always help, you know, recharge. And I have lots of power banks. I'm in an arid environment, so I have lots of power banks. This is just one of them. Yeah. So usually when I get to my location, I would set up, my device, my gadgets, and check the weather, make sure it's good, safety precautions. Yeah, and I set up. Um, yeah, so this was my first takeoff with the DJI Neo 2 self-tracking ability. It comes with the follow mode, lots of mode, circle mode, droning, and not so really good with the bikes, but it's fine. Uh, so I'm actually, gonna be, changing directions. This business is really, really wide and big. I have lots of space to play around with. Yeah. Um, the DJI drone is quite helpful here. How I shoot basically is that I mount my cameras and allow it to record me. Most times on static cameras, on static motion. I like to film on static motion because it makes my video more realistic. So here, you see, I had to put in the side stand for the bike, for the scooter, just to give me this cinematic view, of side recording. It came out really well in the video. Um, let's go, follow me on this journey so we can see what the final video is like. The video really came out. Maybe I won't say much. You'll have to be the one to rate the video, the final video for the music I wrote, the Embers of Atlantis. It's it's really now on all social media platforms, streaming platform. I mean, you can stream it online. But back to the topic. This is how I shot the video. Self shot with my hand gestures. The drone goes farther, and when you tilt it together, it comes closer to you. So I'm about to do my first official ride. Yeah. So there we go. This is my first official ride for the music video. Um, Mind you, your other camera is still there. while the drone is recording me. The third camera you see, the display on the phone, is from the screen recorder of my phone, recording from the app of the DJI, the DJI interface, DJI Fly app. I like to control from the app because I can change to the different angles I actually want to shoot with. So like I had to wait. I wanted it to shoot me straight from the back, not from the front, from the side left. Yeah. So changing it, I had to make it, record me from the back, and so right now it's recording me from the back, and it's actually chasing after me. Yeah, so I shot till night. I couldn't show all the scenes, and it was really late. I had to go back to base. I drove another 1 hour drive back to my location. This is day 2. Yeah, I came in by 6 a.m. in the morning. This is when the sun rises here, the golden hour. I had my setup and mounted my cameras accordingly, and I got the headshot first of all, to get the area view. It's quite peaceful right now, so everywhere is still chill, and this is the best time I can get that golden shot, to add in between the video, to give the cinematic feel. Yeah, so most times, like I said, I record different takes, close takes, close shots, and wide shots. This is me trying to get a video of the scooter itself, just to infuse in the video where necessary. Yeah. I mount the cameras in far locations and drive across it, like it's not intentional, and that really tells a good part of the story I'm trying to portray. That's the drone chase. I really like this angle. It came out nice, and this is 8 p.m. in the evening. I had to wait all the way. I came up to the mountain, facing the golden sunsets, just to get that feel. And of course, I'm going to use my gesture control to make the drone shoot me at the angle that I want. Yes, this is circling right now. While I'm performing, singing the song, the drone is circling around me. When I sing the part, I feel I want to perform. I switch to another mode, and you have boomerang mode. So you have a drone, different functions of the drone, just to add and give me the good shot. This is day 3. I had to go to the Atlas Mountain. This is where I'm gonna have my final shot, final shoot for the Embers of Atlantis. I actually chose this location because it actually portrays and tells the story I'm trying to portray. The Atlas Mountain, the Atlas actually was the name of the first king of Atlantis, and then that's why I chose this location. It actually connects with my story. So I was here very early. I drove 2 hours to get to this location. It was not easy. I already had some body aches, but I had to do this because it's what I love to do. Before now, I've been shooting all the videos quietly. I edit them professionally. You can check my page. Maybe I'll put the link below. You can see my jobs and see what I've been doing behind scenes. Yeah. So now I had to go find a location that actually, portrays my story. I got a water oasis here. This village actually has lots of streams and waterfalls around it that has this nature view. Yeah, never mind. I had to take some water to refresh myself because I'll be walking another 15 to 20 minutes, hiking up to the mountain to get the actual view, that relates with my story. Yes. So like you see, I mount the camera and I take this angle. I mount the camera and I take this angle shot. You know, it's more natural that way. Heading up to the mountain here right now. This is actually another part of the video. So I'll just come back. I'll pick the camera. I would set another angle. I'm going to record, come back, pick the camera, both for the drone and for the round camera shots. So this is the peak of the mountain where I finally had my last shoot. You know, I had some area shots here. I had to set up. It's not like a treasure hunt, like a discovery. You know, you find out in the end of the video. Stay with me and kindly watch the outcome when I'm done editing. It's not like my YouTube first video that was fully shot by me. I did one before, but this one was fully shot by me. It was a one-man squad all the way, and I loved it. I loved it. Yeah, so it's quite windy, but I managed to fly my drone. I got back to my hotel room, close to the mountain, to take some more aerial shots, you know, to add in between the videos. You know, I did the time lapse here. You can also check that out later. It's quite beautiful. This is day 4, the final day, and I will be editing in this final day. The editing was quite challenging, but it was also interesting. You know, check the final video in this link below so that you see the whole video that I've done so far, and let me know in the comment section to know if it actually turned out well. And if you find this video interesting, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like the final video, kindly like and then give me your feedback on how you thought the video played out after, you know, my journey and the time invested in this project. Also do well to download and stream the song on Spotify and other platforms out there. It's quite a good song, and I'm out here to encourage people and to, you know, to let them know that whatever they want to achieve, whatever vision or project, just have to start it and believe in yourself, of course, and do what you love to do, and don't forget to be the best in what you choose to be.